Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. I am Gairuddin. Welcome to our channel. Today in this video, I am going to show and explain palindrome code in Python as well as Java. So without wasting of time, let's get started. First, I want to show code in Python. For that, open. First of all, palindrome means if you read from left to right or right to left, you get same answer. For example, consider a number or string 1 to 1. If you read 1 to 1 from left to right, you get answer is 1 to 1. If you read from right to left, you get same answer, that is 1 to 1. This is called as a palindrome. Okay. First, I want to show code in Python. For that, open Python ideally. Then we have to select new file. Okay. Then maximize. I want to write code by using user defined functions. Def. Now function name, check palindrome. Then I want to take one parameter. For that, str. Sorry, I forgot to end this function. Now I want to store this parameter in one variable, str1 equals to str. I want to take another parameter for storing reverse string. Here I initiate this variable with empty string. Now I want to write for loop for I in str1. Here means character. Here I means character which is present in string, that is str1. Here for loop runs depends on the string. For example, if string have four characters, at that time for loop runs four times. Okay. Now I need to add string elements in reverse order. For that, str2 equals to I plus str2. Then I want to write condition if str1 equals to str2. Again I forget. Return yes. Sorry, it is a palindrome. Else, sorry, no need to write else. Return no, it is not a palindrome. Okay. Now I want to take input from user. For that, for understand purpose, enter string value, and input equals to the also variable input. I want to take string from user. Now I want to call the function with the function name, check palindrome. I want to pass parameter here. For that, okay, after executing that code, it returns string value. For storing that value, I need to write another identifier, that is variable. Finally, I want to print that result. Okay. Now start analyzing. Okay. If enter string value, if user enter string is madam. Okay, if user enter madam, then this value is passed from here to here. Okay, here we are calling method or function. We are calling method. We are calling method. Here we pass the value whatever entered by the user. The value is madam. We pass the madam from here to here. That means now the str value is madam. Now that madam values that str value is madam stored in str1. Now str value is madam. Okay, now come to for loop for I in str1. It takes each character, the individual character. That means first it takes m. Now I value is m present in str1. Yes, present, condition true. Okay, now come to second condition, str2 equals to I plus str2. That means if now I value is m plus str2. Str2 means initially str2 value is empty string. That means there is no any value. Now add this m to this. Now str2 value is m. Okay, then again the for loop runs. Second element is e present in str1. Yes, now come to second step, str2 equals to I plus str2. Here I value is e, then add I plus str2. I plus str2 again comes to here. Now I value is d. Now I value is d. Then str2 equals to I plus str2. First I value, then str2. Here now str value is dem. Okay, again now now I value is what else? Yeah. Okay, now I value is a. Now str2 equals to I plus str2. Here add I value with str2 I. Now str2 is a. Okay, now finally what is left? M. Now m value is I value is m. Now again we have to add that I value with str2. That means here m. Okay, sorry, not here e, here a. That's my mistake, sorry. Okay, now str2 value is m. Okay, now come to if condition. It check. Now str1 value is madam, str2 is value also madam, both are equal. That means it returns yes, it is a palindrome. Now it is returns yes, it is a palindrome to this function. Okay, from here we call the function, so it returns value to this line. So it is better to understand. I want to show lines. Okay, now from line number 5 it returns, from line number 7 it returns value, that is yes, it is a palindrome, to line number 11. Whatever returning by the function, that value is stored in this variable result. Okay, finally we print the result. If I user enter capital M, now what happens? Let's see. Again same process, again also same process. Wait, here observe. Now user enter madam. Now we are calling method or function, that is calling method or function. Okay, now str value is madam, that is capital M capital M DAM. Now str2 again it is initialized with empty string, comes to for loop. Now I value is capital M. Then add that I value to str2. str2 equals to I plus cap str2. I is m. In str2 there is no any str value, that is empty string. Okay, now str2 value is m. In second value of str1 is a. That means now I value is a. Again we have to add that I value with str2. Okay, I plus str2. Now str2 value is am. Then the next character of string is d. Then I value is d. Then we have to add that I value with str2. Okay, then observe d. Now str2 value is dam. Then remaining character is a. Characters are am. Then I know I value is a. Then we have to add that I value to str2. Okay, now a. Now str2 value is adam. Next remaining what is left, m. In str1 last character is m. Now I value is m. Then we have to add that I value with str2. Okay, I plus str2. Now m I plus str2. Now str2 value is madam. We got reverse string. Okay, now we need to compare. We need to check this condition. If str1 equals to str2, that means if str1 equals to str2, is it true? No, because Python is a case sensitive. Here capital M is there, here small m is there, so condition is false. So it returns no, it is not a palindrome. Enter a string value. Check. First you need to save it. Python. Sorry. Check palindrome. Check palindrome. Sorry. No, enter. In first case it shows yes, it is a palindrome. Again in second case what happens, let's see. Madam, no, it is not a palindrome. I already told Python is a case sensitive, that's why it is not a palindrome. Okay, for avoiding case, that means for avoiding capital or small, whatever may be, we need just content, just focus on content. We want to ignore case. For that we need to use either upper method or lower method. Here I want to use upper method. For that str1 dot upper, str2 dot upper. We can use lower method also, no problem. Okay, here str1 upper means here are elements which are present in str1 converted into uppercase, that are uppercase. That means all characters are converted into capital letters. Here also same, all values are converted into capital letters, all elements are converted into capital letters. That means content is same now this value, this m also I want to show easy to understand like this. Now observe, content is same now, so it returns yes, it is a palindrome. Let's again check. No, enter. Yes, it is a palindrome. Again check. Okay, for easy your confirmation. Easy to confirmation, understand. Yes, it is a palindrome. Okay, here in this case it ignores the case of the letters, that may be a capital, that may be small. You just focus on content. Okay, I hope you understand. If you write numbers, String contains any numbers, characters, whatever may be. If I write 1 to 1, yes, it is a palindrome. Okay, I hope you understand. In Python, this palindrome code we can easily write in another method also. That one also I want to store here. For that I want to remove this. Yes, remove for the. Okay, now here we just need to use slicing. Okay, str1 minus 1. Here we observe. Now also same. Let's see what if str1 str. Sorry, indentation problem. Okay, no, it asks to enter value. It asking to enter value. Madam, yes, it is a palindrome. Yes, it is a palindrome. I hope you understand. What is the difference between previous code to this code is we simplify the code. That means we reduce the code lines here. Now let's see the code in Java. Okay, I remove it. Now I want to show code in Java. Okay, for that purpose we need to open Eclipse IDE. Eclipse, it takes some time. Wait. Okay, I already take one class here. Check here, public class check palindrome. It is public means access modifier, class keyword, check palindrome. This is class name. Okay, Java is a object oriented program. Now we need to create one class. Okay, first I want to write one method, string access modifiers. Type is access modifier is public. Next, return type string s is capital string. Now method name palindrome. That's our size method name. I want to take one parameter string str, then floor brackets. What happens? It's showing error. What? Okay, wait. Now here I want to store this parameter into str1, same as Python code. Okay, str. Here we need to specify the data type. Here the data type is string, and end with this, and the statements end with semicolon. Now another variable str2 type is string. I want to initialize this variable with empty string and ends the statement with semicolon. Now I want to run for loop for int I equals to 0 semicolon, I less than or equals to str1 dot len gth length str1 dot len gth len gth place. Okay, enter door bracket. Okay, next str2 equals to str2 plus str1 dot char. Here we need to use one method, character sorry I for here we use character at method. We need to dispatch each character from string and add to str2 for getting reverse string. Okay, here also same, we need to close this statement with semicolon. Length, sorry, small mistake, length minus 1. Then I want to write if condition. If str1 dot equals ignore case str2 system dot yes, it is a palindrome. Yes, it is a palindrome. Else it is not a palindrome. No, it's not a palindrome. No, it's not a palindrome. Okay, finally main method. In main method I want to take input from user, so scanner AC equals to new scanner system dot in. Yes, in system S value is capital S, and close this statement with the semicolon. For using scanner class in method, in class we need to import that package. Import java dot util package java dot util dot scanner class. Okay, import java dot util dot scanner. If I use void here, what happens? String. Here I am getting error for here. I write return type is string. We need to return that value. For that it shows error here. Return so I don't want to return. That's why I want to remove here, because I print here the value in condition only. So we don't need to return that value. So I want to write return type as a void. Now sc I know I want to take input from user. System.out.println. It is for our understanding purpose. Enter string data or value, whatever maybe. Then new palindrome dot. In this step, I call the method which is written. Check palindrome here. Class name is check palindrome. Method name is palindrome. Palindrome. Here we need to pass the value. That is, if for that purpose, sc.next. I want to take input from user. For that purpose, I write this method, next method. Now I want to run this program. Right click, run as Java application. It asking to enter data, string data 121. Yes, it is a palindrome. Okay. If I again check, right click, run as Java application. Madam, sorry, I want to write in. It is need to write in console, not in editor. Madam, yes, it is a palindrome. Here we observe Java also case sensitive, but here I am using one method equals ignore case. It ignores the case of the letters. That may be either capital, that may be either small. Okay. By ignoring that case, it just focus on content. If content is equal in both string, it will print as a palindrome. If the content is not same, it will print it is not a palindrome. Okay. Again, you see, by executing this code, enter the string data. Now enter not. Sorry, one small mistake is there. No, it is right. See, ARG. No, it is not a palindrome. Okay. Observe 121 is palindrome. Now start analyzing Java code. Okay. First, take input from user. From this, if the user enter madam, now the value entered by the user is passed to method to here from line number 27 to line number 6. Now str value is madam. Whatever receiving string value from user, here I store into the variable that is str1. Now str1 value is madam. Okay. String str2 as of now the value of str2 is empty. There is no any value, there is no any element. It is empty string. Okay. Now observe this for loop. Here I initialize I value with 0. I is 0. It for loop runs up to I less than or equals to str dot length of -1. By using this length method, we can find the length of string. Here I start I value with 0 because in string the index value start from 0. Okay, For that reason I start this I value from 0 only. Okay. mm, this loop runs from 0 to length minus 1. Okay, now observe. Now here I value is 0. Now str2 equals to str1 dot character I str2. Now here I value is 0. That means I value is 0. Character at of 0 means in string at 0th position which element is there? M. So m plus str2. As of now str2 value is empty, there is no any value. So at 0th position in string the element is m, so this m is add with str2. Now str2 value is capital M. One iteration is complete. Come to second iteration. Now I value equals to 1. Now str1 dot character at I. Now I value is 1. In string in string in one position which element is there? A. Now add that A element with str2. A plus str2. Now str2 value is A plus M, that is AM. Now the I value increment to 2. Here I value is increased from 1 to 2. Now I value is 2. Let's observe str1 dot character at I value. Now I value is 2. At second position which element is there? This is 0, this is 1, this is D value is 2. Second position D element is there. Now we have to add this D element with str2 D. Now str2 value is DAM. Okay. Next iteration, the I value is increased from 2 to 3. Now I value is 3. At that position which element there? Which element is there? A. Now I value is I value is 3. At that position of string A element is there. Now that A element is add to str2. Okay. Now str2 value is ADAM. The what the last element which is left in string is small m. Now I value is 4. Actually here how many elements are there? 5 elements. 5 minus 1. That means the for loop runs up to I less than or equals to 4. That means 5 times it will run. The final iteration is I equals to 4. Then str1 dot character at I. Now I value is 4. At fourth position which element is there? Small m. Now this small m is add to str2. Now str2 value is MADAM, small m, that's madam. Now observe. Now for loop successfully executed. Now now compiler enter into if condition. Now it checks str1 dot equal ignore case str2. That is it checks madam equals to madam with madam. Okay, here str1 compare with str2. Here I write one method equals ignores case. Here it checks only content, it ignores the case of the letter which are present in string. Okay. Now we observe this is also madam, this is also madam. Okay. This condition is true, that's why enter into if condition and print yes it is a palindrome. Okay. If this condition is a false, enter into else block, then print it, then it prints no it is not a palindrome. Okay. Let's execute this program, run as Java application. Observe in console. In console it asks to enter data, that is string data. Yes, it is a palindrome. Guys, I hope you enjoying and understanding this video. Please share with your friends who are interested in IT sector, who want job in top MNCs like Infosys, Wipro, TCS, etc. because that companies providing one coding assessment in your online test while recruitment process. For cracking that coding test, you should have knowledge on this programming like prime numbers, Fibonacci series, palindrome, reverse string, etc. For that reason, I think this video is helpful for you and your friends also who are interested in IT sector. Okay. Once again, thank you for watching. Thank you guys.